Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by working the repair area immediately. Clean with a degreaser, then mask adjacent panels to protect finish. Once masked, sand the damaged spot down to smooth feathered edges using 300-400 grit. This creates a mechanical bond for filler. Make sure to remove all loose paint and rust. You should feel a gradual slope from intact paint to bare metal or primer. Do this now so the next steps, filler and shaping, will adhere reliably and stay durable. You mix the body filler with hardener to the kit's exact ratio and work quickly. Once mixed, apply a thin first coat to level low spots. Once tack cured, add subsequent thin layers rather than one thick blob. This prevents cracking. Use a plastic spreader to press filler into edges, and let each layer cure 10-20 minutes depending on temperature. When fully set, sand progressively from 180 to 320 grit to refine the contour, checking curves and panel alignment so paint will sit evenly. You start with epoxy primer, spray 2-3 even coats for corrosion protection and adhesion, then wet sand 400-600 to a smooth surface. Once clean and tack-free, apply base coat in light, overlapping passes, blend outward so the color fades into existing paint. After color coverage, lay down 2-3 coats of clear coat, keeping each pass wet and avoiding runs. Let it cure 24-48 hours, then polish to remove orange peel. If you see fish eyes or poor adhesion, re-clean area and reapply primer before repainting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.